What the? You're kidding me, right? I'm
Oh, go out!
Come on! I can't open the door. The door's stuck.
Oh, it's locked.
Son of a gun. This is great. This is great. This is great.
Go out the garage.
No, my God. You can't open it?
There we go.
Happy graduation. Happy graduation. You're kidding me, right? It's too hot to wear a sweatshirt. What? It's too hot to wear a sweatshirt. I'm so it's not the response I was Are you kidding me? Kidding me? No, babe, it's here. You gotta really pull up underneath on the center.
Take it down the cul-de-sac. Bring it back.
I don't have my license.
Don't worry about it. I'm not going down the street. You like it?
I love it.
Got the card.
I thought she's gonna scream. I think she's in shock.